Hey guys, what's going on? DZ here, and I actually wanted to give you an update that a lot of us are really excited about, especially those of us that are using smaller crafts, and that is the Insta360 GO. I know up to this point, you guys have seen the footage, it's pretty ridiculous. There's nothing else that even comes close as far as that form factor, that size, that weight. But the one limiting factor that everybody's been talking about is the 1 minute maximum, and that is now gone. So now it has 5 minutes maximum. It's available right now for iOS, and here is how you actually make it work. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up the app, then go into your camera settings, your Go button settings, and that'll typically be set to a standard video. You want to change that to standard photo, and then go into the press and change that to standard video, or make sure it's on standard video. Then you drop into recording length to the bottom, boom, 5 minutes. They even called it FPV mode. Now, some of us are Android users, actually a lot of us are Android users, and we're gonna have to take that with a grain of salt because as of this moment, Android does not have the updated firmware available on their app. So what you have to do is get a buddy, like I had to do, and use their iPhone, basically upgrade it to the 5 minute, and then don't touch it until they upgrade the firmware for Android. So I'm really excited. I know it's gonna change a lot of what I do. Obviously, I've talked about that many a times, but now we get up to 5 minutes, so I'm going to get to work right now building a mount for my 3-inch craft because this is gonna change some things.